Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Tuesday. I got my order in just now of luggage for our trip, and so I want to go ahead and show you. We needed new luggage, so we ordered a there's three pieces in here. So it came in this big box right here, and then inside of that was this box. So it's kind of like those stacking dolls, that they have. So it's like a box within a box within a box type of thing. But anyway, it's made by Showkoo, and it comes in this luggage set. It's from Amazon, and it comes in black, red, deep blue, green. You can see the colors right there, gray and orange. So anyway, I want to go ahead and show you what it is because we were needing new luggage because our luggage was not the best luggage. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to move this to the table over there so I can get a better angle of this. So I'm going to put you on pause for a second and I'll be right back. Before I do that, I want to show you too, sorry about that. It has, here's the little, this is the brand Showkoo, and it has, everything's really nicely wrapped. It came in bubble wrap, and this is the handle that comes up. And it's one of those really, oops, the styrofoam's in the way. It's one of those really those 360-degree turning wheel thingies. So that's really nice for, traveling, really ease of, let me see how it is with tilting. Very nice. So anyway, we chose green, and I'm going to go ahead and show you in this light the fabric. So this is what it looks like close up. And it almost looks like a snake, right? Like a reptile. And it's kind of, this is how it sounds. It's kind of, so I was, not furniture shopping, luggage shopping, and I saw they had like hard shell ones. This is like a hard shell, but it's a little bit giving. It's hard to explain. It's not like the ones, I went to Ross, I went to TJ Maxx, I went Target, a bunch of places looking for furniture, luggage. And they have like the shiny ones that look like a car, really pretty. This is more, it's hard, but it's like, you see how it like bends a little bit, but it's not like the shiny luggage. I can't explain it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to. It's, you can hear it's like the sound of it, and it's got like that texture. Like again, it looks like a lizard here. Kind of reminds me of a lizard. There's the logo right there. Maybe you can see. So it's more of like a harder shell luggage. Sorry. I mean, it's definitely not cloth luggage. And so anyway, it's kind of like in between. It's not cloth though. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wheel it over to the dining room table, and I'll be right back like I said. Okay, so here we are. It has these little guys, and you have to match it up with these little slots right here, and they stick in there. You push them in there, and it releases with this button. So they're not like dangling around like when they're in, underneath the plane or when they're being transported. And this is a nice little handle, extra handle. And I forgot to show you that this, you push this button down, or not this one, but the, the handle. It's just that normal, you have to push it down. You click it and it opens. Anyway, okay, so here it is, the full size of it. This is the biggest piece that came in the set. Here's the wheels, and I'm going to show you a tour inside of this. So I'm going to put it down gently. Let's see, I'm going to show you. So the little pieces of luggage were already nested inside of this, but I'm going to show you. It's hard to do it one-handed. Let's see. Okay, so I unzipped it, and I want to show you the inside of it. So it's really fancy on the inside, and I'm going to put it down slowly because I have glass jars right there. Whoops! And there goes my, what's that called? My flowers. Okay, so anyway, so it's got like a separate little like compartment there, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen that. And so you could put clothes there, I guess, and then close there that separates it. There's another compartment right here to zip, and then it has the, of course, the belts. And then, so that's really nice. Here's the pattern on the inside. It's like a honeycomb. I do like this, so it could separate my husband's luggage and my luggage. That's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. And it also has the what was I going to show you? The expandable, it also has, looks like, you know, a little protection right there. I think that's what that's for. But it can also, it has a thing right here to make it bigger. So, which way am I going with this? So see how it expands it? See, it's really hard to do this with one hand. There we go. So it allows for a little bit more room. See how it opens up? Anyway, yeah, it opens all the way this way. So it gives me like probably an inch more maybe. You see that? Like an inch or two more, it opens up. So that's pretty. I like the color. I really like the color. I almost got red, but I chose, sorry, so the choice was, I think, I was thinking about doing red, but I ended up getting the green, and they have some really pretty colors. So I think they even have, yeah, I already went over the colors, sorry, on the box. But here's the wheels again, the wheels, they look pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll pop up the, let's see. This is, I'm going to close this up. Hold on, one second, guys. Okay, so here's the middle size suitcase. So you can see it's a bit smaller compared to this one. And I'm going to go ahead and continue to unwrap it from the plastic. So it's the same thing. It has the nice little things that tuck into the, so they're not dangling in flight. And a code or a lock there, right there. And let's see what else. So then you just hit this button or push this button, it releases it. And now these are released. And let's see what's going on the inside of this. Let's see. Just going all around to open it. Okay. And again, blue on the inside. Very nice. And then there's the third piece. And wow, that's a nice carry-on. I'm not sure if that's, I haven't flown in so long, I don't even know if this is like actual carry-on. I think it is, but okay. But I'm not sure if that's a carry-on size. Then, so it does the same thing again, it looks like, see that? That is so nice. Wow, I really like this. So there it is again. And yeah, so that's, I'm sure the third one looks like that too, but I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys so you can see it. And we'll do that. Let me just push this over here for a minute, push that suitcase, and I'll go ahead and open the next one real quick for you guys. Okay, so here's the third, the smallest one. Again, do you see how I'm going to try to show you on camera? It's hard to do this when I'm videotaping, but it's going to click open. These little guys release. And, sorry, that's like a nice picture of my thumb, right? All right, let's see. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Same thing. That is so cool. Okay, so except this one doesn't have an extra pocket, you know, that flipped backwards. This actually has a little inseam like there where you can put in your stuff and then close it up. That is a really nice carry-on. If it's a carry-on again, sorry. I'm not sure. And here's the luggage clips again. This is beautiful, solid luggage. I love this. So I'm very happy with it. And again, I'll show you the sizes. So that's Papa Bear size, Mama Bear size, and Baby Bear. So just cheesy, but these are really nice. I'm really happy. I think I paid $139 for it, and yeah, I'll put the link below in my description box for the Amazon link for this. But yeah, that is my haul for Amazon. I'm excited about this luggage. I think it's nice, and I think it'll serve its purpose. You know, I'm impressed with how well it was packaged, for sure. And this even has several handles. It has the, again, so yeah, very nice luggage. Okay guys, well I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday, and thank you again so much for being here, and I'll talk to you guys really soon, okay? Have a great Tuesday. See you guys all really soon. All right, bye.